Hello, welcome to another video on Illustrator. So I want to make this shape. I want to make a pencil today. So let's try and do that. So I'm just going to grab another one of those and we're going to change the corner size to like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this over there. I'm going to go Pathfinder and exclude. I'm just going to take this one and then we're going to leave one block gap and we're just going to go a little bit out of that side, a little bit out of that side. I think I went the right distance, right? And then we're just going to pull that one up. Well, I can make it one bigger actually. I can make it two. All right, so there's going to be like the end of the pencil there. So the next thing we want to do is make the actual pencil itself. Okay, so to use the arc tool, we can just draw it like that. So what we can then do is we can go to the rotate tool. And if we just hold down shift, we can rotate it there. We can then move it down to here. Then we can constrain it there to that size. And then we can press Alt, do another one. And then we can repeat that whole command by pressing Control and D. And that will get you a third one. All right, so next up we're going to use the pen tool to actually draw the pencil. So let's do that. And we're going to go for this one, try and get the middle there in the grid. Okay, so then we can select this thing and we can change the stroke to 8 points maybe. And we'll do rounded caps. You see a little bit's got knocked off there. We can also go to the path, do outline stroke. And then we can go to the path finder and we can alt click and expand to make a compound shape. And then I think afterwards, yeah, you see like there's sort of like there's like this outer shape that you need to remove. And you have to do that with the direct selection tool. So just click there on the outer bit, and you can see that removes the outer shape. You have to delete twice though. All right, so this is what we got so far. Let's move this into a slightly better position. And I wonder if I can actually align them, because when I removed the outer layer there, actually it made it 1 pixel too small. Let's see if we can do align. There we go. So that looks a little bit better. And the fact that it's actually going by half not a pixel, but the grid. Anyway, that's centered there right now. We can then go to Pathfinder. Pathfinder, we're going to alt click on this again. That's the radius, and then we can also just change the color to this color. We can do arrange, center back. I think if you have one selected, I think maybe you select them both. Let's have a look. Right, yeah, this is when the align to key object comes along, right? So that becomes the key object. There you go. Okay. And that's the sort of finished thing, I guess. Actually, you can do, to finish off, you want to do this, Control G, and so that becomes a group, and then, of course, an easy one. So, thanks for watching.